Today I'm going to tell you how to make me the perfect cup of tea. Start by getting my favorite mug. That is currently my favorite mug. And boil some water. This has been my all-time favorite tea. It's English breakfast tea, and every time I drink it, it reminds me of the time that I was taking my final high school exams because I would chug this tea due to the stress. Put the tea bag in the mug, followed by generously pouring boiling hot water until the mug is nearly full. There we go. Let it sit for a bit until the tea turns around this color. What I like to do next is to take my favorite shot glass given to me by my professors on a Japan trip, and bear with me, I place my tea bag in there so that I can reuse it for another cup of tea. Pour lukewarm water so that you don't burn yourself as you drink the tea, and have a sip. See if it's perfect. And now you have a happy chum with her cup of tea. This is also how I filmed this video because I broke my tripod this semester filming something else. Okay, bye.